Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you guys are facing terms and condition, privacy policy, server is under maintenance, please try again later 0214. This error is showing in your Samsung TV or any other TV so that you can watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why this problem is coming and what the solution of this problem is so that you can watch this video till end. And if you guys are new on my YouTube channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So guys, if this error is coming in your Samsung TV, it means the smart TV is under maintenance, and this is the reason why you are facing this error problem. And you are not only one, many people facing this problem in Samsung TV worldwide. So guys, what is the solution? So you have to switch off your smart TV, then switch on, and sometime this process will be burden. But if this is the server issue, then we have to wait for sometimes some hours, and then server will automatically put by the Samsung TV, and this problem is automatically solved in your smart TV. So guys, you have to wait for some time, or you have to try to switch off then switch on your smart TV, or wait for some time. This problem automatically solved by Samsung TV. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.